roadside coffee. This little Jimny went into a ditch and nearly, well, it smashed the front of the vehicle a little bit. Yeah, the front bumper is not well anymore, but the wheel alignment is out. So now we're trying to fix the wheel alignment. So let's see what happens. But so far so good. Happy to be in Kasani at the Thebe River River Camp, whatever you want to call it. So quite nice camping spot. We're going to explore the Chobe surrounding Kasani, and yeah, we're here for the next 4 nights. The Thebe Safari Camp next to the Chobe River, and that's not bad. It's actually quite good. You've got a thatched roof. It's going to help for the rain because it's raining a lot. Yeah, not too bad, not too shabby. Actually quite love it. Huh? Large trees, nice in the shade. Camping here, we're gonna stay here for 4 days and explore the area, and then off to Nogatsa in the middle of the Chobe Nature Reserve. So let's see what happens. Yeah, now it's the first morning in Kasani River Camp, whatever you want to call it. And we are having a breakfast. We're going to spend the day quiet, relaxing, and then we are going on a boat ride later today.
En mijn broertje. Toasted.
German bread.
Just to want to make it very clear, we do not book into lodges and hotels and stuff like that. We still sleep in our tents, rooftop tents. That's the way to go. good morning everyone. Now this is our next day, and yes, we got a problem. We're exploring the Chobe riverfront, but there's some bad news. We booked 3 nights at River Camp. It's in the middle of the Chobe, but because of the rainy season starting so early, we can't go there. The routes are closed and everything is closed, so we had to hastily make a new booking. So we've changed it now to 1 night at Linyati, and then we're gonna stay 5 nights at Savuti. What the exercise to get this changed, but the people here they are very friendly, no issues whatsoever. So at this point in time, we're driving around here in on the riverfront in the Chobe.
Hello, puppy.
Are you drinking again?
No, it is cool drink.
Cool drink?
Yes.
Sure.
It's cool drink that makes you feel nice.
Mama, what are you doing?
Dooming the tent.
Dooming the tent.
The mosquitoes are awful.
Are you dooming the tent?
I'm dooming the tent.
Okay, cool. Heerlijke campsite, man. And there is the famous David Jury Explorer.
With the capital.
Yes, that one. There's the famous navigator camera woman. And there's the old man, fat guy. Hello, my girl.
Hello.
My lieflijke vrou.